This mechanical keyboard retails for $99.99 and you can now get it on TikTok Shop for $85.99. This is the Akko pc75b Plus Air. It's a 75% layout, hot swappable, top mount design that has multiple connections like wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 with the dongle. You can also program this keyboard for macros and synchronizing music to your RGB lights. The Akko V3 Cream Yellow Pros and these keycaps would probably cost you around $65 by themselves, so this is an absolute steal of a keyboard. As you can hear, this sounds super Thocky, and all I did was a tape mod on this keyboard. These keyboards are nearly sold out because of the price, so grab one while you can.